Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fold this simple flapping bird. Now this is a very good model for beginners and I'm going to show you how to fold it. Ready, set, here we go. Alright, to fold this flapping bird, I'm going to use a square paper. So we're going to fold diagonally in half, crease sharply. Now unfold and fold diagonally in half again. We are making a square base. Unfold, you see the crease, turned over. I'm going to fold in half. Crease sharply. Unfold, rotate. I'm going to fold this and we're going to fold in half again. This is a rather simple model and a good model for beginners. You should definitely fold this. Crease sharply. Now unfold. I'm going to bring these two flaps and make a square base. Flatten. And now I'm going to do here is I'm going to fold this flap to this crease. We're making a bird base. Crease sharply. This is one of the models that I was folding when I was a kid. Crease sharply. Rotate. I'm going to fold this flap to this crease. Crease sharply. Now turn it over. I'm going to fold this flap to this crease. Crease sharply. And now we're going to fold this flap to this crease. Crease sharply. And now I'm going to fold this flap down. Crease sharply. Rotate. Now I'm going to unfold 1, 2, 3 flaps and open up this pocket. Just like a boat, I'm going to make a pedal fold. So I'm going to pedal fold on the right side and on the left side. And we made a bird base. We're going to turn it over. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to fold this flap up, crease sharply. Now I'm going to unfold 1, 2, 3 flaps and open up the pocket just like a boat. I'm going to pedal fold on this side and pedal fold on the left side. This is right side and this is left side. Crease sharply so that it doesn't get hard. And stays easily. Now we made a bird base. Now we're going to do is we're going to make a crown here. So rotate. And now we're going to unfold this flap and fold this flap up. We're going to pinch. And now we're going to fold this in half. And now we're going to slide this flap about this much. Maybe a little bit down. Now flatten. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So fold, unfold, and fold this flap in half. Flatten. Now I'm going to fold in half. Now I'm going to slide this flap about right here. And we made a crown. And now we're gonna fold this flap downwards. Turn it over. I'm gonna fold this flap downwards. On this side. Now I'm gonna test it to see if it flaps. And it flaps on this side, so that is the tail of the flapping bird. Now we're gonna make a head. Now we're gonna make a neck. So we're gonna inside reverse fold about this much, and here we go. You made a flapping bird. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And have a great day.